Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. I'm Bindu Nayak here. In the earlier video this week, we learnt about Ragam Kalyani, and I helped beginners identify this raga with the help of Maya Malava Gaula. How by understanding the swaras of Maya Malava Gaula, we can derive and slowly relate to the swaras of Kalyani step by step. Today we'll take it to the next level. What are the famous compositions in the Ragam Kalyani and the Raga Lakshanam of this raga? Kalyani is a major ragam in Carnatic music. It is a 65th Melakarta, and this is a raga which has all the higher variant of swaras, meaning it has the higher Re 1, Re 2, we say the Shuddha Rishabham, Chaturshruti Rishabham. This has the higher Rishabham. Same way it has the higher Gandharam, it has the higher Madhyamam, the higher Daivatam and the higher Nishadam. So it's a swara carrying all the higher variants of the swaras. Ri, Ga, Ma, Dhani, which are the Vikriti swaras. Sa and Pa are Prakriti swaras. They do not change in any raga. They are constant. So the variable factor in music as far as ragas are concerned are the 5 Vikriti swaras, that is Ri, Ga, Ma and Dha and Ni. So Kalyani has all the higher variants. So that Arohanam Avarohanam goes like this. Sa, Ri, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Dha, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. So this is Kalyani Ragam. What do you learn first? Of course, at the Geetam level itself, a student is introduced to Kalyani with the Geetam Kamala Jadala. Then when a student reaches Varnam level, the most popular Varnam in Kalyani is Vanajakshiro. Vanajakshiro iviraha movani vasudevu ni So this is the Varnam which most students would be introduced to Kalyani at the Varnam level first with this Varnam. This is in Aditalam. Then there is the Atatala Varnam also in Kalyani. Now when it comes to Kritis, so many Kritis. Actually all the composers have composed multiple Kritis in the Ragam Kalyani. Now I just want you to know few of the Kritis so you can go and listen to these Kritis to understand the Ragam Kalyani. First, I would say Muthuswami Dikshita's Ganapate Mahamate, Ganapate Mahamate, Ganapate Mahamate Gauri Kumara Mampahi Ganapate Mahamate. So this composition is part of a opera written by Tyagaraja. Vasudevayeni vetalinayi tauvari guni ganare Shri Vasudevayeni vetalinayi tauvari guni ganare Shri Vasudeva. Then भज रे रे चित बालाम्बिका भज रे रे चित बालाम्बिका श्री भक्त कल्प लतिका भज रे. What a beautiful composition. Then the famous composition Himadri Sute Pahi Mam Varade Paradevate Himadri Sute Pahi Mam. This is by Shyama Shastri. Then Pankajalochana 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 Pahi Murantaka Pankajalaya Jivanata Vibho Vibho. This is by Swati Tirunal. Again, so many compositions in the Kamalamba Navavarana Kritis. Kamalamba Bhajare Manasa Kamalam. Then again in the Kovur Pancharatna Kritis of Tyagaraja, Nammi Vachinananu Nayamuga Brovave Ninu Nammi Vachinananu Nayamuga Brovave Ninu Nammi. So, innumerable compositions in this Ragam Kalyani. I highly encourage you to go and listen to at least 5-6 compositions. Some of them I have already mentioned here, to understand the majestic Raga Kalyani. For every student of Carnatic music, this Ragam plays a major role in his or her music education as well as building the repertoire, because the most we learn ragas like this, which are really heavy ragas like Kalyani, Todi, etc. We develop our musical skills to a great extent than singing the simple raga. These are all little complex ragas. I won't say Kalyani is an easy raga to render. So especially the 2 Varnams, practice both the Varnams in 2 speeds, and then try to learn at least 3-4 kritis in this raga. Then you can attempt little bit of manodharma, swara kalpana, etc. Thank you so much for watching. This was just a humble attempt to introduce students who are new to Carnatic music to understanding ragas better. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe. Give me your comments, feedback, so that it will be very helpful for me. I'll be highly motivated to make more videos that can be of use to music students. And by the way, we are having a live class every Saturday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time, where we revise the basics of Carnatic music, we explore some ragas, we learn simple geetams, etc. So if you've had some foundation in Carnatic music, if you've learned your basic varishes, etc., and you would like to go back and revise them and continue your learning of the basics of Carnatic music, pre-Varnam level basically, you may join this group. It's live, it's weekly, every Saturday. If you need to know more about this, please mention your name with Saturday class in the comments below with your WhatsApp number, and we will send you all the details to join the class. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye.